God, I don't want to eat the same thing again. Spinach again, brown rice, whatever. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another vlog. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mary Angel French and I am a brown belt under my husband Omar French here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I love to compete, I love to work out, I love to eat healthy foods and stick my tongue out. Now in this video I want to show you some tips to make your weight cut exciting and not make it feel like, oh my God, I gotta eat spinach again. That's it. I hope you really like these tips. So it's the end of the week and I think I made some progress towards my weight cutting and just overall feeling really good and keeping up with the weight cut. I thought it would be fun to do a video showing you some tips on how to make your weight cut exciting, because I think I was feeling maybe a couple days ago, or like at the beginning of the week I started feeling really good, and then towards the end of the week I was like, oh my God, I don't want to eat the same thing again. It's just kind of it starts getting old and boring. So I was like, nope, I don't want it to feel like this, so I need to do something about it. I want to make it fun and exciting. So I went grocery shopping and bought different things that I wasn't eating so I can like cycle my healthy foods. Got something that I think is gonna be a game changing for me, and it's like this food scale. I think I want to be a little bit more precise counting my macronutrients, so I'm very excited for that. I just realized that I left one of my grocery bags at Sprouts, the one that has the onions and the peppers, for my stir fry. I'm gonna have to go get it. So I was gonna be all precise and record everything. I really, at this point, I'm just so hungry that I just wanna eat. So I'm gonna chop this vegetable, saute them, and just make my stir fry already because I'm so hungry. You up in paradise like a ghost. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. what I currently had on the fridge, instead of just throwing it out or letting it go to waste because I don't want to eat it anymore. I'm gonna put it in Ziploc bags, put a date on them, and freeze them, so maybe I can use those next week and I can cycle my food. Good morning, everybody. What's up? It is Thursday, February 27th. I'm sporting the Omar French, the new Omar French t-shirt and design. I freaking love it. I just love black and I love white, and I love black and white together with a hint of red. It's just perfect. I love this t-shirt very much. I'm late in my workout, that's why I'm just kind of like rushing. I'm gonna do the glutes maxed out class and I'm gonna try to record it. After all that workout, let's get some sauna. Woohoo! Feels good. We haven't done this type of recovery. We always go sauna, but now we had an idea that maybe jacuzzi would be good. It's still so hot in here. Like, this is all sweat. Like, this is sweat. Like, you still sweat a lot in here, and it feels good on my back. Okay, so there's something else I'm really concerned about, and I don't know how far this will go or how bad it can get, but there are two confirmed, as far as a couple days ago, two confirmed cases of coronavirus in California. Freaks me out a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, it freaks me out a little bit that there are some people infected with the coronavirus in California. Pan Am's is in California, and that involves like a lot of people traveling and being into one venue. I don't know. I will keep my eye close onto how things are going in California regarding this terrible virus that is spreading all over the world, and it's very scary. So if you know any information about that, please share it with me. Leave a comment down below, and let me know what do you know. And if you live in California and you have information, oh my God, I would love to know how things are down there. If it's like scary or not, if it's spreading fast. If you know anything regarding that, I think it's important. I mean, I don't know. It's a tough decision because I really want to do this. I'm putting like my heart and soul into like this workout and like making myself like the best shape ever, you know, that I can with the time that I have, and putting a lot of effort into that. And like, I'm excited about competing again, and now it's like, whew, that could be scary. So
I've been recording my workouts here fine, and today I was like working out here with Karen, and I got my GoPro. I was recording my leg workout, and they came and told me that Lifetime has a policy for no filming your workouts. Because I can understand, like I said earlier on the week, like I don't want to make anyone uncomfortable if I have my little camera, but I'm really just being super like careful not to get anyone. But if they walk by, whatever, it's their policy. But I didn't know that they had this policy. Other gyms are okay with people bringing their camera and filming themselves working out. Just doing it for the sake of adding content to my vlog. But I don't know, maybe I'll talk to someone else and see if that's the real policy or whatever, because I'm not very happy about that. That kind of sucks a little bit.
I hope you like it. I have a little bit of the workouts that I did, continuing from the last vlog, some workouts, and just like bringing you along the journey of my weight cutting. So I hope you enjoy it, and leave a comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.